And in news just coming in, the National Human Rights Commission has recommended a CBI probe in the Chittoor encounter case. 20 alleged smugglers were gunned down, Red Sanders smugglers were gunned down by the Andhra Pradesh police in April. This incident raised several questions on the veracity of the police claims that those who were killed were sandalwood smugglers. Several non-government organizations had said that the encounter was fake. And now the NHRC has said that there should be NHRC is saying there should be a CBI investigation in this case. Let's listen in to what the NHRC is saying.
ஏற்கனவே உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தெரியும் இந்த ஆந்திராவில் நடந்த படுகொலை இதில் 20 பேர் இறந்தது தேசிய மனித உரிமை ஆணையம் எடுத்து அதை விசாரணை நடத்திட்டு இருக்குன்னு அதன் தொடர்ச்சியாக நேற்று மனித உரிமை ஆணையத்தினுடைய 3 நம்ம மெம்பர்கள் உறுப்பினர்கள் அமர்ந்து இது பண்ணோம் எல்லா
T.S. Sudhir now joins us, Editor South, with the latest on India Today. Sudhir, CBI investigations recommended. What were NHRC findings in this case?
Well, obviously the NHRC believes that the AP police is not really stating the full truth. This despite a special investigation team which was headed by an IPS officer, Dr. Ravi Shankar, appointed by the AP government to probe into the incident. There was also a team sent by the National Human Rights Commission. But despite all that, the NHRC feels that this is a fit case to be handed over to the CBI. So not very good news, because the perception is that the AP government has really not been telling the entire truth in this particular case, and that the 20 alleged Red Sanders smugglers who were shot dead on the morning of the 7th of April were perhaps not really smugglers, and perhaps they were taken into the forest, as has been alleged by different human rights activists in this particular case. So the AP police will now have a lot of explaining to do in this particular case if this case is indeed handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Has the government reacted to this yet?
Well, I reached out to the Forest Ministry officials. They have been maintaining that no, they were Red Sanders smugglers. There is no other way that they could be found in such a large number inside the forest early morning on April 7. But what the Tamil Nadu human rights activists have been saying is that if it was indeed so, how is it that there was nobody injured? Well, whereas the Andhra Pradesh police has been claiming that there were more than 150 of them inside the forest at that point in time when the encounter took place. How is it that there were no weapons left behind by any of the other Red Sanders smugglers who managed to escape? How is it that the police did not manage to arrest even one smuggler and only shot dead 20 of them inside the Seshachalam forest on the morning of April 7th? So a lot of questions, and the AP police obviously has not been able to provide very clear answers to the NHRC at their open court hearing which took place in Hyderabad earlier this month.
T.S. Sudhir, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.